This is the day after the hurricane. Billy and them have come up from Charleston to help us clean up and straighten up all our trees. We got about 15 of them down. Hurricane Fran came through on Thursday night, tore up Raleigh and North Carolina in general.
That's a lot of things you can't be put all around here. That's a lot of things.
That's why he cracked the table on it.
Huh?
He cracked the table, he can pull it over more this way.
With the lip.
There you go. I'm fine, I'm fine.
Go ahead, pull it on up. Where y'all going to branches?
Right here.
Pull on up.
Oh, ho, ho.
Pull up a little bit.
Grover's using this truck to pull these trees back in position, and then they're coming them up and put them away over there. Charlie, Grover, Billy, Sarah, and their families all Little Remington, and they all came up with us. Charlie and Dale was helping them. But the hurricane knocked down about 15 of our trees. Didn't do any damage to the house though. I'm glad of that. This is the 7th of September. Fran came through on the 6th and the night of the 5th and the 6th.
Like I am. No, look at her.
Don't worry about the ball.
One with the lily though. Yeah.
Granddaddy, they back here at the chimney. It's cooler.
Bring them over here, Brian.
Miss Sarah, you want something to drink?
Yeah.
Who? I gotta go potty. What you want? Who? I don't drink soda. What's wrong with you? You cut it out. Why are you not whining already? Let's sit down. My arms around me. That's your back. Get right here before you drink it. See, the gym is filled. That's my mama. Make sure you got on your hair. And the cut is here too. Better watch your.
How much y'all charge an hour for all that work you're doing?
Feel good?
I cut it there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 hit $100 an hour will be fine.
$100 an hour. $100 an hour, and y'all been working about 5 minutes, right? You only been working about 5 minutes, right?
That's right, Daddy.
$1,200 an hour, $10 a piece. Too bad.
They wouldn't let me.
I paid $10 to get that tree up. Pull this back out now.
Good job, Bumblebee. Bumblebee.
Where? Don't fight him, just leave him alone. The breeze will blow him away.
Hey, Bugger. How you doing?
He pulled up a tree, Granddaddy. Don't you know what he's
Push
doing?
that button, that trigger.
You burnt the battery up?
Remington did it. I was fine. The Remington got in the truck.
Did Remington burn that battery up?
To run the air conditioner. We got to have air conditioning, bro.
Did Remington burn that button up? I don't know.
Tell Uncle Grover, so you put too much strain on it, boy. He can't talk right now, y'all. He's got a mouthful. Where you been, woman?
Somewhere. I'm at the steakhouse, I think.
Y'all straighten up. Got to come to the boss.
We're on a raise.
Break's over. Break's over.
How long would it took me and Daddy to have got them trees to...
Honey, we all like it too, and you got the citrus standing back up place.
Good job.
Good look out.
You gotta get steaks and take them up.
Good look out.
They're sitting up.
I almost cut a big one.
They'll live.
I almost cut a big one. They wouldn't let
You know, sister, the tree out by the road is down, the big tree. There's a baby coming up outside the stump, about this high.
You didn't tear it down.
No, we're standing straight up. We're going to put it down just a minute.
Stand straight up then. I tell you what, that Chevrolet or Ford or whatever that is needs to stay here in Raleigh. That's a good looking job. When'd you get that? I tell you what. Well, hey, darling.
He helped pull down a tree, Aunt Bonnie.
You pulled a tree down?
He was working that winch in there.
98,000 miles on it. Look at that thing there.
What is it?
Yeah, gone.
Bugs, get on me, son. I'm a bug man. He like to eat on me. There's a bug, it'll get on me.
And I hate them. I can't stand nothing crawling. I tell you.
There you go.
Get my hat back on my head so I look like Blow Joe.
I double dare you.
Don't put it on nobody.
Andrew, what is that?
I know a man.
Looks like a little
I know a man
cow.
that we used to bite his head off for a
You've been
quarter.
working, haven't you, darling?
Right.
I like all that.
Y'all been working hard.
That looks
It's
like
a
the world.
caterpillar.
Been in there.
It's a little orange
babysitting.
caterpillar.
Julius rolled back like that. She is playing. And she playing.
Let me
She was. She may be screaming.
He wants to see him.
Jimmy, you're the friend we hit that big tree in the front yard.
I am.
Don't let him
Bring
get
it
close
the
to
one
it.
up by the road.
Yeah.
Get that neck, put it back down.
Son, you're alright. You don't be scared of that caterpillar. Don't push the little girl.
You be scared of them, baby. When they bite you, Daddy will say,
You ready to
"Why?"
get
I ain't got nothing to do with.
You get over here away from all the kids.
Darn, this place looks